Bryce done
It's
what?
funny.
Bryce doesn't know what this is. They just be getting in real big trouble in the evening stuff.
Yeah, that's the risk you're on.
Well, so you can't spell this on you too. You can't have it over.
Well, I gotta do accounts, so I got no strength. I hope he does. I'll try. Alrighty, you get work. We want to find the derivative with respect to x of 9x squared minus 3x sine x. So this is really two separate terms. So we're differentiating term by term, right? It's just that when you get to that second term, if you can call it that, when you get to this monster here, what are we going to have to use within that term? Yeah, so we're actually going to use the product rule within, like, differentiating term by term. Yeah.
Couldn't we just take it from the first example, considering we already did that one?
Was it 3x sine x or was it 3x cosine?
Oh,
Yeah, it's you're right. It's going to be super similar, right? So let's do this. Well, this much is easy, right? 18 is our new coefficient, x to the first. So just 18x, and now we're done with that first portion. To get this part, we're going to need a product rule. And I just realized now why I put this problem up here. How many terms are we going to get in our answer? Well, if you group the 3 and the x together, you'll get 2 terms in your answer. And how many of those terms are going to be affected by the subtraction sign that's in front? Yeah. It was in the script. So I'm going to use parentheses, because anything that comes as a result of this 3x sine x is going to go in those parentheses, and then I'm going to distribute the negative into those parentheses. So many times people will apply the negative to the first term and then kind of forget about it and then get goofy answers. So it's a simple thing to do, but it's a simple thing to forget, so be aware. Let's take the first factor. 3x, okay, there we go. Yeah, times derivative of the second factor, so that'll give us a cosine x. Plus, when you come back the other way, start with your sine x, and multiply by the derivative of the first factor, which is 3. Finish it off, and then we can kind of clean this up a little, I suppose.
Why did you say huge?
I was differentiating just this much. So 2 comes down.
Yeah, I know why you got it. Well, I don't know how you
Well, the thing is, this wasn't really a product. This we could just do like what we were doing. Yeah, power rule. And then this thing's a product, so that's when the product is right there. We got an 18x. We got a minus 3x cosine x. We also have a minus 3 sine x.
You should use flow notation.
Or nice.
But it's just like 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock every day.
It's all the germs from all the kids.
I must be allergic to algae too and calculus.
Can you provide it on
What's that? You could factor out a 3 if you want it. Frankly, it doesn't matter really to me if you do or don't. But if you've got, if you've got 3 separate terms listed out, you got a polynomial answer. That's good.
I didn't mean to. I was just so proud of myself.
Alright, so we got assignment, lucky 13.
No, it's even better once you do it.
That's why we have to.
on the context. Oh, okay.
I have a C overall class now.
Me too.
Me too. Everybody growing.
126 to 128.
What do you have, John?
1, 6, 39, 40, 53, 81, 8, 82, 8,
There is no fear about it.
106, 108. Alright, so you got a good chunk of time here. Use it well. Alright, well, we can still. Good.
Maybe I'll shout out to Brady.